Hi everyone, call recording not working on your Android phone or option not showing. Don't worry, here are real solutions. Step 1. First, open your phone, go to settings, apps, and check if call recording option is available. Step 2. If you don't see the option, it means your phone does not support it. This is normal in many Android phones. Step 3. Now go to Play Store and search call recorder. Install a trusted app. Step 4. Open the app and allow all permissions like microphone and storage. Step 5. Now make a call and check recording. If sound is low, turn off Bluetooth. And volume increase. Step 6. If still not working, try speaker mode during call. Some phones only record properly on speaker. Final tip. Keep in mind, due to Android privacy rules, call recording may not work perfectly on all phones. And that's it. These are the real ways to fix call recording issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more honest teach tips.